Oh shit! I just started recording and I'm already getting chased by a big-nosed fish. Oh frick! Ah!
I trapped my autistic son's hand in an air fryer.
Oh, my controller. Oh, what the? Oh, what the hell? Yep, this is my room. This is my room, guys, as you can see. Got a piano on my bed. Okay. I died it.
I forgot to turn.
I died.
What's up, guys?
You son of a bitch.
Pickle?
You son of a bitch.
Pickle!
What?
Found you.
Where's
Are you sure?
Obunga? Where the
I
fuck
don't
is
know.
Obunga?
I don't know. It said that
Slipped out.
one. Go!
I forgot to turn the stove off and burn down the whole house.
No! I see it!
Dingle here. I'm staying at my friend Quandale Pringle's house. I fart.
I had a quick joke. Wait a minute. Oh shit! Oh shit! Here comes Jack! Who the fuck wants some ammo?
Mother, come back!
No! You're on your own, Pickle! Fudge you!
Get the fuck back here, you son of a bitch! Get the fuck back here, you cunt!
How do you
will not
open
leave.
this?
My dad tried to hit me with a cast iron pot. I forgot to turn the stove off and burn down the whole house. I just escaped
Just go.
to me. I drowned in the bathtub when I was
God,
15 years old. I sold my grandpa's crutches, and he fell down the stairs and broke his back.
Oh, great heavens!
My dad gave me a knuckle sandwich
Wait,
full
heavens,
force.
it's
I
right,
farted
it's
it
right.
out. My dad
Don't
tried
get
to
stuck
hit
on
me.
Oh, I'm fucked.
I forgot to turn the stove off and burn down the whole house. Put bug spray in my little brother Quandale Singleton's eye. Next to me. I drowned in the bathtub when I was 15 years old. I sold my grandpa's crutches, and he fell down the stairs and broke his back.
Oh, great heavens!
My dad gave me a knuckle sandwich full force. I farted and a poopy almost slipped out. My dad tried to hit me with a cast iron pot. I forgot to turn the stove off and burn down the whole house. What's up, guys? It's Quandale Dingle here. I have been arrested for multiple crimes.
What the hell?
Battery on a police officer, grand theft, declaring war on Italy, and public indecency.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
We stay down here for a bit. Until they come and get us, we stay down here.
Yeah. Whew. Wait.
Oh,
Wait.
fuck, press the button, press the button!
Wait.
I just escaped prison. I am staying at my friend Quandale Pringle's house.
Gold. Big brain. Tons of IQs.
Fell down the stairs and broke his back.
Oh, great heavens!
My dad gave me a knuckle sandwich full
Well,
force.
my IQ is
What's up,
gonna
guys?
kill me, so.
Dingle here. I have been arrested for multiple crimes, including
Holy shit,
battery
I
on a
love
police
sex.
officer, grand theft, declaring war on Italy, and public indecency. I will be escaping prison on March 28th. After that, I will take over the world. Put bug spray in my little
ain't
brother
taking over shit,
Quandale
Quandale.
Singleton's eye. Hey, fellas, it's Quandale Dingle here. I put perks in Vladimir Putin's drink, and he went to bed for a really long time. I trapped my autistic son's hand in an air fryer.
Just press the button, just press the button.
Prison guard's head. Hey, Quandale Dingle here. I just escaped prison. I'm staying.
As
No,
soon as I
no,
get to
don't.
As soon as I get to that pillar right there, I'm pressing the button. Good? I think no, wait.
Quandale Dingle here. I wanna
Go,
fucking
go,
kill
go,
myself.
go.
Quandale Dingle here, and I wanna fucking kill
Quandale
myself.
Pringle here.
Dingle here.
Joke about it so the
I just
pain
escaped
goes
prison.
away.
I am staying at my friend Quandale Pringle's house. Put bug spray in my little brother Quandale Singleton's eye.
Stop.
drink, and he went to bed for a really long time. I trapped my autistic son's hand in the dumped boiling water on a prison guard's head.
Right now. They are surrounding us. Those smart ass bastards. As soon as you hear the voice, the last thing you see is a guy named Quandale Dingle with a long ass nose.
And my little brother
Fuck, not again, not again! Fuck.
History is repeating itself!
Not again! No, not a wall! Fucking wall! Oh my god, wait for me, Walter, you fucking bitch. Ow, my... Oh, I actually didn't break my ankles on that one.
Go this way, I got an idea! Come on, Quad! Let's go! Let's go!
I just escaped prison.
He's gonna get through that, he's gonna get through that. Hold it, you fucking idiot!
My dad tried to hit me with a cast iron pot. I forgot to turn the stove off and burned down the whole house.
Oh my god! This is just chaos. I don't know where to go. Pickle. I don't feel safe. That didn't happen when I played this with Night Owl. And yes, Night Owl is another one of my friends. We're gonna make a video with him soon. He's a real nice guy. Okay.
Yo,
I'm still chasing you.
What's up, fucker? What's up, fucker?
We're gonna have to break your ankles. You're gonna have to trust me, Pickle.
No.
I have been arrested for multiple crimes, including battery on a police officer, grand theft, declaring war on Italy, and public indecency.
What do you
I will
have
be escaping
against-
prison on
what do you
March
have against
28th.
Jono?
After that, I will take over the world. Hey, fellas, it's Quandale Dingle here. I put perks in Vladimir Putin's drink, and he went to bed for a really long time. I trapped my autistic son's hand in an air fryer. I dumped boiling water on a prison guard's head. I drowned in the bathtub when I was 15 years old.
Why an air fryer of all things?
My dad gave me a knuckle sandwich full force. What's up, guys? It's Quandale Dingle here.
Full force just rammed right into him. Like I don't feel.
Oh,
I was
fuck
15
that
years old.
again!
I sold my grandpa's crutches,
Here comes
and he fell down the stairs and
Quandale.
broke his back. My dad gave me a knuckle sandwich full force. Hey, fellas, it's Quandale Dingle here. I put perk.
Holy shit! Oh my god! I just spawned. You gotta be kidding me. I'm guessing he's chasing Pickle. Pickle!
Battery on a
Pickle,
police
you
officer.
bastard!
Grand theft.
Pickle betrayed me. He betrayed me.
I have been arrested for multiple crimes, including battery on a police
Get outta
officer,
here.
grand theft, declaring war on
Let's
Italy,
get outta
and public
here.
indecency. I will be escaping prison on March 28th. After that, I will take it in a poopy almost slipped out.
Just continue running, continue running. I know that he's gonna get through that door. Oh my god, I heard him for a split second. At least I think I did. Pickle, no! God damn it. Okay.
Don't forget brush your teeth, right there.
Slipped out. I forgot to turn the stove off and burn down the whole house. Hey, Quandale Dingle here. I just escaped prison. I am staying at my friend Quandale Pringle's house. Hey, fellas, it's Quandale Dingle here. I pushed perks and Vladimir Putin.
Bee hop, just bee hop. Bunny hop, bunny hop. Bunny hop, bunny hop, bunny hop.
Brother Quavante Singleton's eye thanks to me. I drowned in the bathtub when I was 15 years old. I sold my grandpa.
No idea what that is.
Hey, Singleton's eye. Hey, fellas, it's Quandale Dingle here. I put perks in Vladimir Putin's drink, and he went to bed for a really long time. I trapped my...
Hello, pickle. See ya. See ya, pickle. You
years old. I sold my grandpa's crutches, and he fell down the stairs and broke his back. Oh, great heavens! My dad gave me a knuckle.
Come on, pickle. I'm not gonna betray you like you, okay?
I just escaped prison. I am staying at my friend Juan.
No, I hate you. I hate you. I hate you. Oh no, you're finna perish. You're finna perish.
I sold my grandpa.
No. You see, the thing is, I'm getting the fuck out of here. You can stay in there. He's gonna kill you. Yeah, let's go, let's go, let's go. No, I got this, my friend.
I drowned in the bathtub when I was 15 years old. I sold my grandpa's crutches, and he fell down the...
I do not have this. I do not have that. I do not have this. I have that. Hello, pickle. Son, I feel leading me to a bunga. I'm gonna fucking kill you with time iron.
War on Italy, and will be escaping prison on March 28th.
Oh, bunga.
After that, I will take over the world. Hey, Quandale Dingle here. I just escaped prison. I am staying at my friend Quandale Pringle's house. What's up, guys? It's Quandale Dingle here. I have been arrested for multiple crimes, including battery on a police officer, grand theft, declaring war.
Slap your dick. I spawned right back into the mall. Oh, pickle fucked up. Pickle dead. Going after me? He going after me. That bitch going after me.
In the bathtub when I was 15 years old. I sold my grandpa's crutches, and he fell down the stairs and broke his back. Oh, great heavens! My dad gave me a knuckle sandwich full force. What's up, guys? It's Quandale Dingle here. I have been arrested for multiple crimes, including battery on a police officer, grand theft, declaring war.
They finna get through that bitch. They finna
Well,
get
there we
through
go.
that.
Back to the elevator. Back to the elevator.
You can do that, pickle. I'm not gonna fuck myself up. I'm gonna meet him. I'm gonna meet him. He's either gonna die or he's gonna go down here.
Little brother.
Come on. We're dying together.
No, I'm dying alone. Fuck you. I'm dying
Dingle
alone.
here. I put perks in Vladimir Putin's drink.
That.
And in an air fryer.
Well,
I
both
dumped
faggots.
boiling water on a prison guard's head. Hey, Quandale Dingle here.
I've been in party chat. Party chat this entire time. Basically what you missed is me slapping Quandale's dick and saying that me. Either he's gonna die.
Goodbye. Goodbye, dumbass.
What's up, guys?
Bye,
It's
guys.
Quandale Dingle here. I have been arrested for.
God damn it. You just told me. The only thing you missed is me hitting my bed, which is the, that motion. Is that me? Is it just me or is that getting smaller? Because I'm on 5%, so. Yeah. I'm not gonna be able to record this for much longer, but we are gonna make a part 2, so. Stay tuned for that. Fuck. Skibbity fuck. Skibbity fuck.
Quandale Dingle here. I just escaped prison. I am staying at my friend Quandale Pringle's house.
Pickle, don't leave me here! Pickle!
Walter. Dawn's put on you, bitch.
Let's go! Fuck you. You know what? We're dying together. We're dying together.
Dumbass. No, we're not. No, we're fucking not. I refuse. I refuse to allow.
Yes, you.
Good.
Oh! Oh, Pickle, you dead. You dead, Pickle. Pickle, you dead.
Fuck you. Get out of my way.
That was golden. I love that. Okay, hold on. We're gonna wait for him to come down here, then I'm gonna press the button. Get the hell out of here. Oh. Hey. It's 1. It's 2 of them. So they come from over there, so we're going over here. Time for another ankle break.
It's Quandale Dingle here.
He knew.
I put
That bitch
perks in
knew.
Vladimir Putin's drink, and he went to bed for a really long time. I trapped my autistic son's hand in an air fryer.
He knows. And I know he knows. And I know he
Quandale
knows.
Dingle here. I just escaped prison. I am staying at my friend Quandale Pringle's house.
You don't want to go up there, Pickle. Trust me. Fuck you. I'm dead. But, or am I?
Or are you?
Hey, Singleton's eye. Hey, Quandale Dingle here. I just escaped prison. I am staying at my friend.
I got fucked. In the ass. With 2x4. And fucked in the ass so hard that I'd make Comet the Frog jealous.
Here. I put perks in Vladimir. In my little brother Quavante Singleton's eye. Thanks to me. I drowned in the bathroom when I was 15 years old. I sold my crap.
Go.
Small crimes.
I'm gonna stay in app chat though, because it's more better. Pickle just said that I don't have to be in app chat.
Walter. Oh shit, not again.
History repeats
Not
itself!
again. Fuck you.
Perks in Vladimir Putin's drink.
Perish.
Fuck you, Pickle.
Fucking perish. Oh. with me. Perish with me.
No, I'm
My
getting
little
the fuck
brother
out of
Clavante
here.
Singleton.
Oh, no, I'm not.
What's up, guys? It's Quandale Dingle
I'm
here.
not getting out of here. Oh, I do. I do have to tap. I can blow your brain. Okay. Go. Just go.
Walter, get in the Goodbye.
Let's go.
We leave. We leave. We stay out of this?
I'm out of battery. Now, Phoenix says it's been fun.